Let's play the game one more time, but a little harder. Are you ready? Okay. What's that? Let's draw that animal on our heads. Okay, I'm finished. Ready? It's a duck. Duck. Let's write the word duck. D U C K. Duck. Did you draw a duck? Good job. Okay. Ooh. Let's draw that animal. Okay, I'm finished. Are you ready? All right. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. Let's write the word rabbit. R A B B I T. Rabbit. Did you draw a rabbit? Good job. Okay. Let's draw that animal on our heads. Okay, I'm finished. Are you finished? Let's see my drawing. Oh! It's a bee! Let's write the word bee. B E E. Bee. Did you draw a bee? Good job. Oh, what's that? Let's draw that animal on our heads. Okay, I'm finished. Ready? It's a bird. Bird. Let's write the word bird. B I R D. Bird. Did you draw a bird? Good job. Okay, one more time. Let's draw that animal on our heads. Okay, I'm finished. Are you ready? It's a horse. Horse. Let's write the word horse. H O R S E. Horse. Did you draw a horse? Good job!